We're jumping into the second part of lesson or unit 5. So now we're looking at generating equivalent ratios. Just go ahead and title it create equal ratios. Equivalent is another word for equal. Create is another word for generate. So create equal ratios. So we kind of did this the other day when we had like 20 over 40. Well, we turned that into 1/2, right? So these are equal ratios. And could you build me another one? 50 over 100. That's equal to 1/2. So you could go on and on and on and create different ones, right? So let's jump into our solve it as we look at this. I guess I'll have to enlarge this a bit. Okay, Sally used all the paint shown to make a curtain tint of orange paint. How many pints of red paint should be mixed with 24 pints of yellow paint to make sure that the same tint of orange? So really, we've got a 3-to-4 ratio, right? And what they're saying is, I'm going to do this as a fraction, that how many pints of red paint should be mixed with a 24 pints of yellow? So that means the yellow, we're going to have 24 up here, right? So you can kind of ask yourself, what do we multiply by to get to 24? So this is going to be 3 times 8. So down here, what are we going to do to get our missing number? We're going to do 4 times 8, and that gives us our missing number, which would be 32 pints. That's going to still give us. So what it's really saying is 24 over 32 maintains that 3-to-4 ratio. And this is kind of like your tape thing too. You can kind of see it. But we've got our 3-to-4 ratio, and we're dividing it into equal pieces, right? And we could look at this as 24. Well, take 24 and divide by 3, and that gives you 8, 8, 8. And then here, if we could see it, you're going to get 8, 8, 8, and 8. So how many are down here? 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. So you could have done it the tape way, or you could have done it our fraction way. But you're still going to end up finding out that we need 32 pints of the red paint.